Hello, my name is Thiên. I'm 7 years old.
What farm animal makes this sound? Listen carefully.
It's a cow.
What farm animal makes this sound? Listen carefully.
It's a pig.
What farm animal makes this sound? Listen carefully.
It's a chicken.
What farm animal makes this sound? Listen carefully.
It's a hawk.
What farm animal makes this sound? Listen carefully.
It's a sheep.
What farm animal makes this sound? Listen carefully.
It's a duck.
What farm animal makes this sound? Listen carefully.
It's a goat.
What farm animal makes this sound? Listen carefully.
It's a dog.
What farm animal makes this sound? Listen carefully.
It's a cat.
What farm animal makes this sound? Listen carefully.
It's a rabbit. Goodbye.